Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENVV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice move. This one collapsed, right there. Just a very nasty collapse. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. But to give some credit where credit's due in terms of on the Bulls' part, the Bulls have slowly but surely, been creating a new upwards move that's been, a nice little bounce there. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance in regards to that bounce, and we'll see just how much this bounce can keep on bouncing. So first areas let's talk about are some points of support. And that initial area of support comes from right here at 35 cents. 35 cents is important because it really just is following a very key principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So areas of resistance, was 35 cents ever resistance? Yeah, absolutely. You look back here and you can see there's a whole bunch of data points where the Bulls try to break up above that point and just couldn't quite do it. So 35 cents definitely has a history of acting as resistance. And then you fast forward to today, and again, the rule, when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what happened basically all day today. The price got up above 35 cents, and the bears tried on several occasions to push the price back down, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. So 35 cents would definitely be the ideal level of support. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined and this thing's headed down to 5 cents. I'm not saying that, but what would make the chart look the healthiest and the strongest? Definitely if that 35-cent mark can continue to hold. Taking a step back, though, and looking at more so kind of the broad picture of the current bounce, just keep an eye on the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep moving its way upwards and getting higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line going forward, the bounce is in full health and the bulls are in full control of it. So a very easy way to look at that, assuming, of course, you care about, kind of more so the broader scope. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the famous pink line right there, which is the 200-period simple moving average. So if this upwards price movement is going to get more continuation, that pink line is going to be, public enemy number one that the bulls are going to have to clear through. But no doubt about it, over the past few days, the price has been slowly but surely building those higher bases, and that's the name of the game. So if the price can stay above that purple line, who knows, maybe this thing can really start to build a whole new uptrend again. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.